Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to hide pages and groups you have liked on Facebook. For that, just go and open your Facebook app, then head to this three bar that's on mobile and head to this three bar icon that is our main menu. Tap there and scroll till you see, and then you need to head on and then you need to tap on this gear button, and this is our setting and privacy. Then on this setting, and you will open our and then here is our setting, and here is our setting menus, and here is our setting menu. Scroll now here, and here is our setting, and now here is our setting menu. Now you have to scroll till you see followers and public content, that's on audience and visibility. Tap there, and then you can see who can see the people and pages you follow. Tap there. By default it's on public, and what you need to do is tap on this only me and save, and this way you can hide the pages and groups you have liked. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.